Herbert Masterframe here, back with a big you-know-what to review Walk Hard, the Dewey Cox story. Though it could just as easily be called the Reed Rothschild story, but instead of playing a hot-tubbing poet porn star, the oddly charming John C. Reilly plays a hybrid of Johnny Cash, Ray Charles, he can see just fine, but his olfactory powers are non-existent, Bob Dylan, Brian Wilson, and a gaggle of other 20th century musical legends. If not for Reilly's dopey innocence, vocal chops, and inherent funniness, this kind of chauvinistic pig humor probably wouldn't get a pass. The movie takes place in a time when men, even not so attractive dad-bodied men, could live like self-destructive, ego-driven blowhards and attract hordes of sexually explicit women. The women in this movie exist to gratify Dewey's horny horseman fantasies, make him lots of babies, and lay around stoned and naked. If you can swallow the idea that rock and roll stars actually got to live like this and not be triggered by sexist, sometimes racially charged satire, you'll laugh your cock hard and hoochie coochie wet. Right out the gate, there's a hilarious humanist scene in which Dewey, kin to that jerk Navin Johnson, sings a cover of a rollicking blues tune called You Got to Love Your Negro Man. The all-black club crowd ultimately is won over by this goofy cracker playing their music, and they start to dance without inhibition or concern with skin color. In spite of its audacity and total lack of regard for today's social justice-minded puritanism, it maintains an aw-shuck sweetness at its core, like the scene in The Sandlot, when prepubescent Squint pretends to drown so he can get mouth-to-mouth resuscitation from the beautiful teenage lifeguard. It's juvenile horn-dog humor that only a real special girl can laugh at. I give it one hard cock and a pair of liberated nipples.